In this video we are going to take a look at this vintage radio, and as is obvious from this logo, it is a Philips radio. Not in a very good condition, as you can see that the grill cloth is torn apart here. The cabinet is broken. Here is a view of the back of this radio. Yeah, and that is the model number BX485-AV. It says made in Holland. So in the next step we are going to take out the chassis, clean the cabinet, and clean the chassis with a air blower, and then we will see what tubes are there in it. So we have taken the chassis out from the cabinet. Here it is, full of dirt and dust. And the cabinet is also cracked here, very dirty. The crack is visible from here also, like this. So we will blow this with an air blower, and then we will be back. We used a air blower to blow the loose dirt away, and now the cabinet is somewhat clean. We were able to see what tubes are in it. For example, this one is the ECH21 tube, Loctal tube. Here it is, a Loctal tube. This one is a rectifier tube, and it's AZ41 rectifier tube. This one is an EL42 tube, output pentode. Very tight, it's not coming out. So this is also not coming out. So we will spray WD-40 on this, and then we will try to take these out. This is the IF tube, and this is the preamplifier, and this is the output amplifier, output pentode. And this box, large box here, is the vibrator. This model supports 6-volt DC battery, so it can also run on a 6-volt DC battery and AC. So this is the vibrator, and here we can select the voltages from 110 to 245 volts. Yeah, that is a view of the circuit. This is the output transformer, and these black ones are the paper capacitors. And here is the cabinet, backlight cabinet. So continuing with the restoration process, we have taken the speaker out. You can see this is the speaker of this radio, and it is quite unique in the way that it has a cone inside, and this cone is made of bakelite. Okay, and here is a view of the back of the speaker, and it says 3149, so it's from 1949. And so we have to clean it and then we will put it back. And this is the cloth which was covering the speaker, and it is totally deteriorated, so we have to change this. And for the time being, we have connected this speaker in the radio. This is a 5 ohms Philips speaker, and this is the view of the radio. We have changed the main electrolytic capacitor and also some of the paper capacitors inside this. Some of the paper capacitors have been left, which were connected to the low voltage, so we will do it later. So for the time being, we can switch the radio on, and check if the radio is working or not. And we have connected the radio to the bulb current limiter, ready to be switched on. And we have connected an aerial wire here, serve as an antenna. So we have taken this front panel out for restoration. We will be changing the grill cloth. Like this, it has come out. So now we will be unsoldering these contacts, and then this front panel will be free. And also now we are in a position to check this vibrator unit more carefully. So I have opened it, opened the screws. The vibrator unit is now free. Now we can uncover it and see what's inside. So this is the vibrator unit. This is the main vibrator relay. And this thing here, this is the transformer which converts the low DC voltage 6 volt into high voltage to 30 volts. The relay action, the on off switch inside this vibrator unit converts this low voltage of 6 volts DC into high voltage. And the output of this relay unit is this vibrator unit is high voltage DC. So this is sort of a DC to DC converter, mechanical, but it's all mechanical inside. Or you may say electromechanical, because we have a transformer and we have a relay here. But the output is DC, high voltage DC. No rectifier is required in this unit. And as usual, we will be changing the electrolytic and the paper capacitors.